Welcome to game programming. We're going to just do day one stuff, look at the syllabus, watch a video on Alice, look at where it's located, look at the textbook and so on. So click on syllabus. This is found on www.mrharris.us under game design, September, and click on syllabus. Go to open, and here's the syllabus. For the class routine, I need people to not wander around the room too much. I need people in their seat. I need people to not talk loudly while I'm talking. To try to help each other if you have problems. For the late work, I want you to try to finish the assignment within a week of when it's assigned. Within 1 to 2 weeks old, I'll give you 70%. Older than that, it's half credit up to a month, and then it's only 2 points, so your parents know you actually turned it in. You did not copy other people's work. Need you to check your grades. I update the grades often, sometimes every day. Definitely within every Wednesday and Friday, the grades will be updated. So try not to wait until a long period of time and say you turned things in a month ago that weren't recorded. Here's the grading scale, which should be the standard scale that's on Skyward. These are the district lab rules. It's the next link. You're not supposed to do sneaky things like using a proxy server, trying to damage the computers, violating copyright laws. Those things will be a level 3 offense, which is an administrative referral or even something really serious like an F in the class, or they'll remove you from the class possibly. That's the same. These are the same rules as for the entire district, so keep that in mind. If you want to use Alice at home, you can download it free here, where it says here. Go to downloads and Alice 2.3. To start Alice, if you look at your desktop, you should have a link called Alice 2.2. If you double click on that, the one that would get Alice going is most likely just Alice. Occasionally there's a computer that won't run it correctly. I'd recommend you either try a different computer or try slow and steady Alice. I'll show you where the data files and the text is. It's under Start, Computer, J. Harris Class Share, Game Design, Assignments, and the text is this one right here, Alice 2 Introductory Concepts and Techniques. It's a Shelley Cashman book which explains things really clearly, step by step. For a while we'll use this book. I'm not sure if we'll change it a little bit and do some other things that are a little more creative. But to start off, it goes step by step with making an Alice world. Tells you how to start Alice, how to set the background, and it's very simple. As you move on, it gets more and more complex, but I recommend you really try to comprehend these simple techniques. It seems like everybody does well early on, and as we move on, we have to come up with programs and create things and think about things, which is a lot of the challenge and a lot of the fun of this class. But just keep that in mind. It starts very simple and then it gets complex all of a sudden. The data files that you'll need for some of the assignments are in this folder right here, Cashman. So it's one step above the book under Project 1 and Project 1 data files. You can't just double click this like you would with perhaps a Word document. You have to open Alice first or it won't work. So you open Alice and then browse to this folder. I'll show you how to open up one of the Alice files that you'll need. So you go File, Open World, go to Computer, J. Harris Class Share, 2 Game Design, Assignments, Cashman, Project 1, Project 1 Data Files, and I'll try this one, Case 1-1 Beach Scene, and we'll play it, see how it looks. This one I believe wasn't supposed to work. Oh, I'm wrong. There we go. I think this is the unfinished version though you have to add to it. So back on my website, the Chapter 1 PowerPoint is kind of a brief version of Chapter 1. Depending on your ability, you might be able to get enough info out of Chapter 1 PowerPoint, or you might have that open as well as Chapter 1 exercise. I'd really recommend you take the time to read through Chapter 1 while you're working on it. There's a document that goes with exercise to try to help you make sure you actually do it. So what I'd like you to do is print one of these out and then show Mrs. Ferguson that you completed the task and then have her initial it, and we'll just grade you on the entire thing. There's a test to go with Chapter 1. We'll use that. I'll probably add it here to this website. So keep that in mind. Thank you.